I remember the time that I thought that I actually might be bilingual, and it's because, when you first learn a language and you go to the country that speaks that language, you progress very fast and very quickly at the beginning. You're able to run errands, to talk to other people, to do things by yourself. But then you get kind of stuck. And when you get to that level, it's very, very hard to move on. And I remember after having dinner with friends and, that night going to sleep thinking, wait a second, I laughed at the jokes. I understood what they were laughing about. And I was able to participate in that conversation. I hadn't even realized that I knew what they were saying with their slang and their thick accents. And it was great. I think that's when I felt that I was bilingual.